Hi, my name is Pedro Oliveira and I'm a Linux professional engineer at NXLog. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to integrate the log messages of the email server Postfix with the NXLog platform. By default, the post email server's log messages have this format. In this video, we are going to show how to configure to collect these log messages and only to select to be archived these messages depending on the Postfix component. Let's get started. So first we need to have an NXLog agent installed in our server. And next, we need to go to our configurations overview, add a new configuration. Because Postfix will archive his logs in the file var/log/mail.log, we are going to use the file component from the NXLog platform configurations. Just do a drag and drop and indicate the location of the Postfix mail log. Now I want to configure the log message to be stored inside the NXLog platform. So I will send to NXLog platform. And I want these messages from the Postfix mail server to be stored in a JSON format. So I want to convert them to JSON. Do a drag and drop. So let's see what happens behind the scenes. And as you can see, we are configuring our log collection with the input model file and collecting the var/log mail.log file. Let's save our configuration. Need to add a name. Let's assign to our agent the Postfix log messages template. So it's assigned. If we click, we already see in the statistics that 2 email records has been collected by the NXLog agents and have been forwarded to be stored inside the NXLog platform. Now I'm going to show you how we can parse just these 4 kinds of components of the Postfix messages and just select this one to be stored inside the NXLog platform. For this, you can go to the NXLog documentation and see integration Postfix. There is a really nice examples. And we're going to take advantage of the regular expressions. So we can see, for example, we are parsing every line of message of Postfix inside the mail log with the regular expressions, and we are selecting just the messages as the following components: SMTPD, SMTP, cleanup, and the queue messages. And I'm doing some improvements in the log message, so I can store the sender, the queue ID, for example, the queue. In the case of SMTP, I want to understand which client IP is using to send the message, and the client host name. So to configure my agent to collect this kind of information, I just need to do a copy paste of this configuration settings. Go to my template. Because I'm doing copy paste, it will be easier to select the configuration text. I'm editing inside, so I have all my configuration here. Let's do a save. You can see that in the graphical user that I have a new exec state, and you can see that is my copy paste configuration. Let's update our agents, and I'm updating directly from the template side. And if I go to my server, so I'm still waiting for the key data statistics to be collected. So let's wait a few seconds until there's been some events has been collected and forwarded to the NXLog platform. So as you can see, I just collected 36 events messages based on that the regular expression selection, and let's see what has been collected. For that I can use the log search, go to here to postfix, and in my last messages, for example, I have this anonymous, and I'm just collecting the SMTP component with messages. A nice feature of the log search is the possibility to create filters based on this information. So I can say that the component is equal to SMTPD, and save and apply, and now I have all messages with the component SMTP. So as you can see here. So if you need more information now about to integrate NXLog platform and collect logs from your company infrastructure with other applications, please feel free to contact us. Go to Let's Talk and schedule a 5-15 minutes with some our pre-sales engineer or commercial partners. Thank you.